Okay, here is the demo Git repo running on Gitea, which is a simple GitHub-like server running this within Minishift, so we don't have to try and get GitHub to somehow hit Minishift running a laptop. We're running everything within Minishift. So I have my little repo here, I have the code in here, I can go over the settings, and I can check out the webhooks. This is the webhook that's pointing into Minishift at my webhook handler, and I can see that it's being fired once, and I got a 200 message, which was fine, but no error message in the body. So I want to leave the page and make a change, so I can simply go into the actual Helm file and I can edit it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the version number. So here we're using version 001. If I go over here, I got version 001. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and set 002 to be 002. I can commit that change. And what I'll see is that over on the webhooks, there's now a second webhook event that also has no errors on it. If I go to my web console, I can actually look at the top level area. I can look at the webhook handler over here. I can look at its logs. And we'll see it's actually going and doing something, right? So it's actually just jumped forward and showed us what it's doing. If I go back to the main application, top level, I should see the rolling deployment would have happened. So let's go. Oh, here we go. The rolling deployment is now starting. Rolling deployment is pending, is written over here, which is showing that it is actually pending the second version coming out, which is probably having to pull the image, which is why it's taking a while to pull down the initial image. So yeah, so it's starting a container now, killing the old one, various doing bits and pieces, started container. So over here, yeah, we can see it's starting to scale down. The old version scaled the new version. And if I now go back to the app page, it was running version 1, and if I flick it through, now it's running version 2. So there we have it. So we edited the configuration within Git. In this case, it's Gitea, because as we're running with a Minishift, it's just a simulation of what we do on GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket or anywhere else. So we can see we have an audit trail of what we actually did. It's all within Git, it's fine. And then we had the Git webhook fire into the OCD environment webhook handler. We saw that run or log what it was doing, and it eventually caused to sync the new state, which caused our application to be upgraded with a rolling deployment. That's it for the quick demo.